months ago, James, a homeowner just like you, filed an insurance claim after a brutal hurricane tore through his roof. He trusted the process, followed what the insurance companies told him, and now he's out $73,000 and left with a half-repaired house. Why? Because of one mistake almost every homeowner makes. Stick around because I'm going to show you what happened to James, the red flags he missed, and how you can protect yourself from the same trap. Insurance companies aren't in the business of paying you what you deserve. They're in the business of paying the least they can get away with. And they rely on homeowners like James to do one thing, and that's trust them blindly. But James didn't know the game was in the insurance company's favor. Let me walk you through what happened and how you can flip the script. James' roof had visible wind damage. After the major hurricane, he filed a claim immediately. An adjuster came out, looked around, and said, "You'll hear back from us soon. Looks minor." 4 weeks later, James gets a check for $6,000. But here's the kicker. The contractor's estimate was over $80,000. James was confused. He thought maybe the contractor was ripping him off or overcharging. But the more he looked into it, the more he realized that the insurance company had ignored half the damage, skipped code upgrades, used low-cost pricing that didn't reflect real market labor. And because James already cashed the check, he thought the claim was closed. But here's what James didn't know. You never have to accept the first offer. Cashing the check does not necessarily close your claim unless you sign a release. And you can and should challenge the adjuster's estimates. But James didn't have a public adjuster. He didn't have someone fighting for him. And by the time he called us, his windows were leaking, repairs were stopped, and the insurance company wasn't responding to him. So let me make this simple. If your insurance company gives you an offer, here's what you do instead. Get an independent inspection. Compare contractors' estimates. Never sign a release until you're sure it's fair. Call a public adjuster before you make a move. At Panther Public Adjusting, we go toe-to-toe with carriers. We reopen underpaid claims. We've turned $6,000 settlements into $160,000 payouts because you deserve every dollar your policy promises. James' story ended in frustration, but yours doesn't have to. Let us review your claim before you cash that check or accept that offer. Click the link below or call us today for a free consultation. We fight for you, not the insurance company, because we don't get paid unless you do. Like and subscribe for more real claim stories and tips. Share this with anyone filing a claim right now, and drop a comment if you've ever felt ripped off by your carrier. I want to hear your story.